Hey there, Trailvia travelers. Today I'm diving into that age-old question, is it worth buying car rental insurance? Travel can be pricey, and adding insurance might seem like just another unnecessary expense, but let's break it down. First up, the basics. Collision damage waiver, or CDW, covers damage to the rental car's bodywork. It's not technically insurance, just an agreement to waive your liability. Be sure to read the fine print. Sometimes windows or wheels aren't covered. Next, theft protection. If the car's stolen, you're off the hook for the full value. Just don't leave the keys in the ignition. Personal accident insurance covers medical costs if you or your passengers get hurt. And personal effects coverage protects your belongings inside the car. Don't forget third-party liability, which covers damages or injuries to others. Finally, roadside assistance can be a lifesaver if your car breaks down. But wait, you might already have some of these protections. If you've got car insurance or a credit card, check if they extend to rental cars. Many personal auto insurance plans do, but you might still pay a deductible. Some credit cards, like the Chase Sapphire Reserve, offer primary coverage. Most offer secondary coverage, kicking in after your personal insurance. If you don't have personal car insurance or a credit card that covers rentals, buying insurance from the rental company is a good idea. Also, consider insurance if you're renting a luxury car or traveling abroad. Some countries, like Italy, require a CDW. At the end of the day, extra coverage provides peace of mind. But check your existing options. You might already be covered. So, should you buy rental insurance? It depends. Do your homework and you'll make the right call. Thanks for tuning in to Trailvia. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels.